Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to present a man of letters, former professor of history, former additional controller of exams, Osmania University, founder president, Telangana History Congress, life member, Indian Red Cross Society, TS chapter, former chairman, JVNR High School, Nirmal District, vice chairman, SBMS B.Ed College, Kalvakurti, member grievances committee, Salajang Museum, Hyderabad, former secretary, Usmania Graduates Association. He is none other than Dr. G. Venkatrajam.
First of all, I want to congratulate Boda Nageshwar Rao, convener of the MAS. 11 years ago, I have retired from the Osmania University. I am from Pakka, Telangana. Once again, I say namaskar to off the dais, all learned media friends, electronic media, print media, great learned people and citizens of India, great people of India. We are one because I am going to talk about the nutrition for mother and child. Mother is important. Mother India. Mother is important. All mother is our mother. All children are our people. Today's children are tomorrow's citizens of India. They are going to construct new India, make in India. Okay? And I am very much concerned about this topic. Why? Because I am from totally remote area, from Warangal district, Telangana region. After 70 years of independence, our village got recently one red box. You see the distance of my own remote hamlet, village. From that area I have seen from today. See, 80% of population live in the villages. Okay? 70% of villages are there in India. Print media, electronic media is not going to the poorest of the poor people. Even mother like this, it's not reaching. We are all educated, well educated, ultra modern educated. We are not going to any colony. Sorry, somebody people go and collect the material, that is different thing. But thing is, we are not going to rural India, including Prime Minister of India, including our Chief Minister of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. They are not going to the needy people, because 40% of population of India under poverty. In November, Telugu Daily, Andhra Jyoti has given statistical data regarding the poverty. Bihar stands first in poverty area. Telangana stands 8th rank. You see, we are all one because our constitution has provided fundamental rights. Rights for citizen, right to live, how to live, where to live, when to live. The living standard of the poor has become hard and hard. We cannot bear it, we cannot see, we cannot say anything. All our professors from universities, junior colleges, schools and all, nobody bother about this thing. We bother about our pocket. That is salary. Okay? We get sound salary, we get less salary, whatever it may be, but at least 10% of our daily life should be given to the poorest of the poor, irrespective of caste, region and religion. All religions are one. All religions are the ways of one to reach the moksha, what is called the abode. The concept is abode. See, Allah, Ram, Rahim, Jesus, whoever may be our God, whoever may be our religion, whatever we are in the society, we don't bother about the status and rank. We are one, we are Indians. Forget not, Indians are one. We should go to construct the nation like anything. You see, ఆహారం విషయంలో మార్గదర్శ తల్లి పిల్లలు, mother and child, and the instructions to the mother and child how to provide the proteins and all. You see, it is very pathetic conditions. You see the figures I have collected from Nutrition of Hyderabad, Tarnaka. You see, these are the conditions. This kind of, see, in cities, leave the main streets, many colonies are there, sub-colonies are there. In the colonies, the poorest of the poor families, the parents will go morning, dawn to dusk they go to get their bread, forget their children, their education, hygienic, other conditions, family conditions. You see, we observe, my dear brother, we should at least 1 hour should think about our surroundings, not to go to, because it is very, if we want to go to outside, pocket should be filled, isn't it? We are living step by step. If we take the step, put on the pipe, rupee, another step, unrupee, 10 rupee, 10, like that. We need expenditure. Nobody will give this expenditure. But we were, see, just now, before my, say, brother, before me, he has explained. See, the Google and other information, it is among the educated and well-educated people. Technology is development of this thing, that thing, among us. It is not reaching the poorest of the poor villages. You see, I have seen 1 month back, there is, see, in forest of the poor, forest, rains have come, floods have come, no road, 10 days, there was no communication between one village to another village, no drinking water, no food, no this thing, nobody will bother, no TV people don't go there, electronic doesn't go, don't go there, anybody will, leaders are, forget them, leaders are highest of the citizens of India. They are ruling us, they are ruining us. They are ruining us like anything. You forget educated people, MLAs don't want to enter into politics, but thing is, our main duty of the each and every educated is to highlight and approach the media people. We request them to go to this thing and see, this boy is getting irritation because of lack of vitamin B complex, isn't it? B complex, no vitamins at all. See what his mother gives, forget then, he comes in the evening and go to even milk, that's all. In between nothing is there. Till they go to streets, play in the mud, dust, everything, no education, no teacher is going to them, no organizer is going to them. No. See, even politicians are, I can say as a professor, see, all politicians, all political leaders and political parties are ruining the nation like anything. We are one, we should educate the poorest of the poor people. That too, see, you see, that boy is crying for food and other things. He is not having protein, isn't it? This is the condition of the children of the future India. Children of the future India. You see, this boy, this eye, it got some white patches in the eye because of the A vitamin, lack of A vitamin. Isn't it? Yeah. See, almost all. Here, there is no caste, region and religion to disease.
Like pandemic.
Yes. whatever, not only pandemic, each and every member in the society, in the world society getting disease. There is no, see, inequality. Here is equality because it is touching each and every children, every parent, everybody. So we should bother about it. 24 hours we should bother about, not we. Society is because we are living here, because Boda Nayeshwara is here, I have come here. All other organizations are here, I have come here. You are not there, I am not here. So we are one, we should think at least half an hour about our nation, construction of our new India, construction of our Make in India, Make in Telangana, Make in Andhra Pradesh, Make in everything, world family. Every religious leader says that Vasudhaika Kutumbam family, see, world has become one village. Really, technology brought like this. World has become one village, isn't it? But where we are living, in what conditions we are living, we should think about at least 1 minute. My brother, my sister, at least 1 minute. See, this boy got this thing because of the lack of other vitamins here. You see, in the streets, people, the small boys will have the patches here and white patches, and there is one kind of fracture like lip, isn't it? And Amma, Papam, the tongue has been attacked by some sort of disease because of lack of protein and good food or healthy food, because there is no education among. See, Tallipalu, I am talking in Telugu, Tallipalu, mother's milk is very, very important. Even today in India, in cities and villages, there is a fashion that at least 4 months mothers will give only breast milk. After that, go to other dabba milk, other things, and will leave it to the air. గాలిలో వదిలేస్తున్నాం పిల్లలను, అంటే దేశాన్ని వదిలేస్తున్నాం, మన జాతిని వదిలేస్తున్నాం. We are leaving the children in the air. Where is the future? What kind of future our children are going to have it? See, this is the concern, and instructions were given. See, good mother, good feeding. And another thing, weak mother, weak feeding. If mother is weak, the baby is weak. The baby is weak, society is weak. The society is weak, our nation will become weak and weak and weak forever. Not one. If one, we ruin, we smash the one generation, other generations will come like this. That's why, my brother Nayeshwara, you have given me a good opportunity. I have written. Do you know Telugu? How many people are? You are living in Hyderabad. How many people are? See, shall I read this? I have just prepared, and within 2 minutes I will read it. మన దేశంలో పల్లె ప్రాంతాల్లోనూ పట్టణ ప్రాంత పేద వర్గాల్లోనూ తల్లిపాలిచ్చే అలవాటు అతి సాధారణం. ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ జనరల్, తల్లిపాలు అనేటివి. పట్టణాల్లోని మధ్యతరగతి సంపన్న వర్గాల్లో ఈ అలవాటు కొంచెం తక్కువ, తల్లిపాలు ఇవ్వడం కొంచెం తక్కువ అయిపోయింది. చదువుకున్న పట్టణాల్లోనూ నివసించే ధనిక మరియు మధ్యతరగతి కుటుంబాల్లో కంటే పేద వర్గాలు తల్లిపాలను ఎక్కువ కాలం పాటిస్తుంది. పేద వర్గాల వాళ్ళు కొద్దిగా గొప్ప, ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళ తల్లి, ది మెరిసీ ఆఫ్ మదర్ టువర్డ్స్ హర్ చైల్డ్, దట్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ పావర్టీ ఫ్యామిలీస్. పవర్స్ ఐ కెన్ సి ఎక్కువ కాలం పాటిస్తారు. ఆర్థికంగా బాగున్న వారు, పనిచేస్తున్న తల్లులు తల్లి పాలు తొందరగా మాన్పించడం జరుగుతుంది. ద ఉమెన్ హు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ other side, they think, see, whatever it may be, they leave their children at home, their poshana, their what we call the security, the feeding and everything, see, leave it. Ante they have forgotten their children down to dust. Not now, not one day, not 1 month, years together, because they should earn something. Learning is not there. Learning is not there. Earning is there. See, 4-6 నెలల దాకా ఇవ్వవచ్చు ఇట్లా ఈ రకంగా పాలు. ఆ తర్వాత తల్లి పాలతో పాటు అదనంగా ఇతర ఆహార పదార్థాలు కూడా ఇవ్వాలి. తల్లి పాలు ఎన్ని రోజులైనా 2 ఏళ్ల దాకా కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. బిడ్డ కోరినప్పుడు పాలు ఇవ్వడం ద్వారా తల్లి పాలను ఎక్కువ కాలం ఇవ్వగలుగుతారు. శిశువు తాగిన పాలు త్వరలో 2 గంటల పాటు ఏడవకుండా ఉంటే ఆ తల్లి పాలు మంచివి, ఆ పిల్ల ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్నట్టు గుర్తు. This is the indication given by the practice made by poor mothers in the villages, even in the colonies, in cities. They forget. I have seen number of cases. That's why whenever Boda Nageshwara met me, I chosen this topic. Immediately I have gone through that, what we call the content of the pamphlet. Just now, see Nageshwara, I will bring this. See, I will definitely bring it to the, see what we call Niraksharasyata, illiteracy. Illiteracy is the main problem in India. And Nirudyogam, unemployment, is also another serious problem. How many people are getting real salaries, real position, real employment? Nobody is there. Nageshwara, once again I am thankful to you and your along with your organizers. Thank you, each and everybody listening to me.